In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Twitch account. Now, when we go to our PC, we won't be able to see any button right here to delete. All right. Let's say, for example, we're going to want to go to our settings right here. Now, when we scroll all the way down, we will only see disable account. But on mobile, you'll be able to easily delete your account. So what we're going to do to delete a Twitch account on PC is just paste in this particular link. All right. Don't worry. I'll leave this one in the description and hit on enter. And as you can see here, with the same account logged in, you'll be able to see delete account. Now there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to delete your Twitch account? This will permanently erase all your content and profile information, and you will no longer be able to claim this particular username. Now, once you've chosen to delete your account, it will be deactivated and your channel page will no longer be accessible. However, there's a grace period of 90 days. Twitch will permanently erase all of your content and close your account. The deletion process will terminate if you log back into your account, while in some cases, Twitch may retain limited personal data for legal, security, and etc. etc. All right, just go ahead and click on this box right here and tell your reason why you wanted to delete your Twitch account, but this one is optional. Once you're done with that, just hit on delete. All right. And I'm not going to do that. And afterwards, there will be simple prompts. Just follow along and you're good to go. Now, to do this on mobile, in here, we're going to want to open up our Twitch app. Now, once we're in here, just go head over to your profile. Now, head over to account settings. All right. In here, tap on account. Now, as you can see here, we have two options, disable account and permanently delete account. Just tap on this one right here as the title suggests. And once done, hit on the delete account button and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.